cause she's so dangerous. This lady so mean, a deadly scammer, and she don't even care. She's dangerous, so dangerous.
What the hell are you doing here?
Come on, this is not the best way to welcome a guest in your house.
An uninvited guest is no guest at all. I ask again and for the last time. What do you want?
I am here to take you out for lunch.
Thank you for the kind gesture. But like always, I am not interested. You think this nonsense setup between yourself and my brother will make me change my mind?
Look, I don't know how to prove my love for you. Can you tell me how to make this possible?
Love?
Yes.
Indeed. I am sure that this is the same nonsense that you tell all these little girls that you sleep around with in the city while you leave your family abroad.
It's true. My family lives abroad. But my wife and I are divorced.
I was very busy doing something important upstairs, and then when I looked through the window, I saw an uninvited guest. I'd like to go back to what I was doing. When you have finished, please use the door.
Excuse me. Most beautiful one. I understand the importance of money in every relationship. And I can assure you that this man standing before you is loaded with cash. And I am ready to lavish that money on you. Just give me a little chance.
Fortunately for you, I am not one of those ladies that gets moved by money. Something else moves me in men, and when I am fully moved, I am moved for real. If you as much as try to touch me one more time, you will see a side of me that is rarely seen. Get out of my house.
Can't you give me another chance? I know what I want. And I promise I will never give up. You don't understand the kind of money I have.
What nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense line is she giving this money guy? If money cannot move this idiot, what then will move her?
Honestly, I am not doing anything simply to bring anyone down. It is part of my civic responsibilities to do what is right, and that is to protect the communities. She is duping a lot of innocent citizens, and she must be stopped. Well, we all know that the police has not managed to protect the physical communities. Is it not online crime that they'll be able to? Well, you have a point. Listen to me, you have a point right there. But while we're waiting for the police to do the needful, it is our right the right thing to do is to try to stop her. This girl is a fraudster, and she must be stopped. Yes. Thank you.
So, I've been meaning to ask. We should take this relationship really serious. Don't you think so?
Collins, you are the man. I mean, if you want us to take this relationship to another level, then it's your call to make.
That's right.
What are you doing there? Will you get out of this place?
Why? No. Tell me why? Because you are with this idiot, with this he-goat. Listen, if you provoke me right now, I will sit down here and nothing will happen. Unless we get out. After all, this living room is mainly for the realization of family members, not a venue for nonsense. Oh, you, I have a dossier on you. Oh, all the women of Obasuno, your town, your own town, mainly those women from Mezier, your own family. Soon, very soon, they will understand the sound of the music.
Will you stop that nonsense?
That's your word nonsense.
Will you stop that nonsense?
Continue with what you are doing, idiot. Lie down and continue. You're here, idiot. Don't worry, listen. They will understand the meaning of Mississippi. Oh, shut up. Oh, no, shut up.
Babe.
Easy.
Ignore him. He is an idiot. Just ignore him. Ignore him. He's talking nonsense.
Haven't you realized he's been serious with these things he says? Come to think of it, what can he possibly do to our women?
Really? You're not going to ignore Billy with his Mississippi nonsense?
Alright, I was saying it is high time we took our relationship to the next level, and you have to take it serious.
Money back.
Obi adro money back, ma. Obi, I'm not happy. Look, what is going on? Why haven't you done anything yet? I thought by now she will be the one running after me.
Nah, money back. No, now. If you think this is easy, why did you contact me? No, if it is easy. Have you forgotten how long you have been chasing my sister? But nothing worked. Just few ways that you contacted me and you want me to kill myself. This is a gradual process. It's a gradual. When you were born, were you like this? It took a gradual process for you to be coming up. So then you are this. And then before money started coming to you. It's a gradual process, my brother.
Mr. Mississippi, if you are not ready to do this job, tell me so that I will stop giving you money. Yes.
You have just insulted me. You have just Nah, what is this now? Why are you insulting me now? Come. How much do you have? No, tell me. How much do you have? How much do you think you have spent over my sister?
More Onyego.
Okay, you just insulted me. Can't stop us. I'll stop giving you money. You think I'm surviving with your money? What is why? The first time I saw you, I met you, I told you that estate I'm on around here, that I am the king over that estate. You see that? That's going to stop you. See, stop this. You just insulted me. You have just insulted me. All this while that you have been chasing my sister, you chase here. Did anything happen? Stop this bragging, oh. I have to tell you. I have to tell you. So just stop this bragging. This bragging will not lead you anywhere. Go. So money is good anyway, but then
Obele, what do you want me to say? I was at her place yesterday. What did she do? She ended up insulting me.
She insulted you?
Yes.
Probably you are the cause now. Why that is that they buy so you buy I say go cause. Go cause. Like you are the cause. Yeah? If she insult you like this, you push further. You try again. Try harder. That is how to know a real man. Yeah? Wait. You are dancing. Iji goes up. You have banged her, Abi. Your body is sweeting you. You are dancing. Come. I want us to talk.
Mr. Mississippi, what do you want us to talk about? I hope you're not here to rain more insults on me like you did inside.
I want to ask you a question. What plan did you have, my sister? My friend, talk to me about Babokete. What plan do you have for my sister? Or now, what this question now? Does it call for smiling?
What stupid question is that? Where's that coming from?
You are playing dumb, Bobby. Hey, my friend, stop that nonsense. Don't play dumb as if you don't know what I'm saying. All you do is to just come here to make up and then bang my sister. Just like as you have done now. No. Is that not what you are good at? Can you deny that?
Mr. Mississippi, you see, your sister is an adult. And it's not my fault that she likes me. We like each other. And I have great plans for her. And if you must know, I want to marry her. Yeah.
You want to marry her?
Yeah.
You want to marry her?
Mm-hmm.
I know what that means. You know, when a fool speaks, it is very easy to understand. I know.
Mr. Mississippi, I think you should do less of the talking and calling me all kinds of names. It doesn't show good character.
You idiot. Nenezi. Look at, okay, you are the one that has a good character. Eh? Koko, you want to marry who? Eh? Oga, if you will listen to my advice, just leave my sister alone for her to see, for her to use her eyes to see good men. I mean, important men. For her to see classy men with domiciliary bank account. Not boys like you. Oga, you idiot. I went to marry her, marry you.
So you call me an idiot because you think I'm broke, right?
No. Are you not broke? Do you have anything? Look at this cashless economy. Do you have anything? No. Are you not broke?
Your sister told me you're close to 50. So that's Coming from a 50-year-old man who still lives in his sister's house. That's terrible, you know?
Does she tell you how old she is? Yeah? No, did you hear that from her? Do you know that if she tells you that I'm close to 50, then just imagine how old she is. Eh? Sugar mommy and sugar daddy, idiot. See. My friend Susan here. Cashless economy. Where is she? Where is she? Come out here. Come out here. Let us argue this matter once and for all. Where is she? Vanya! Vanya!
Is something wrong with your brain cells? Have you lost it? Why are you screaming down my roof? Huh?
Please sit down. Sit down.
Better be out with it.
Please. Tell me in a simple, a very simple way that I can understand without stress. Why is it that a lady of your class will leave real men and decide to go for small boys? What is it? Yeah? Is it that Abu is dealing with you or what?
You are the one that Agu has finished already. You have amounted to nothing. You have nothing and you're very comfortable with it.
Listen, I am your brother. You are the only one that I have. I don't know why you're not. Does it mean that you don't know your what? Eh? Come. What business do you always have with small boys?
And who are you referring to as a small boy?
I am your brother. I will always tell you the truth. Forget the fact that we always quarrel. But I want the best for you.
You are my brother. And I hate the fact that you are very unreasonable. You're not willing to make your life amount to anything. You're not willing to make good use of your time and life. And who the hell are you to tell me what is good for me and what is not? Listen, I'm a lady. A grown-ass lady. I know what is good for me and what is not good for me. You will not tell me what is.
Don't insult me. Don't insult me here. Listen, because I'm living in your house, don't make me invalid.
You have already made yourself invalid. Yes, because what do? You sit home, eat, sleep, surf the net, go around that circle again doing basically irrelevant things. And of course, insulting me at the slightest chance that you get. That is a very irresponsible thing for a grown man like you to do.
Oh, okay.
And you don't even know this man that you're campaigning for. Just because he gives you a little money, you think life starts and ends with that? Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
That small boy. Listen. I am talking now. And your voice is louder than mine. You are not listening. Don't go regretting it tomorrow.
Please shut up.
She don't even care cause she's so dangerous. This lady's so mean. At that place come and she don't.
Lady Vanya. Lady Vanya. Oh, please, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I was held in traffic. Please.
So with all the men that you gallivant and jump around with, you are still not able to get yourself a car?
Are you trying to insult me?
Oh, that is not an insult. You see, sometimes we must learn to come down from our high horses just to hear the truth.
And what truth are you talking about? The fact that I don't own a car yet shouldn't give you the right to talk down on me, okay?
On the contrary, I see things from a different perspective. Taking a closer look at you, I'm asking myself, why would a girl as pretty as you are make herself available to men for enjoyment? I mean, she should run away from them and find a way to enjoy herself.
Do you know what? You have a point. So maybe you should prove a solution to that problem. If this man can't get a car for your dear friend, then you should do it for her, right?
Spare me those lines. I was hoping that when you walk in here, you would notice me and tell me how I look and smell.
Okay, please just do me a little favor. Can you just do that move again, please? Please.
But I did it before.
I know. I just want to take a closer look at the back view.
Obviously, it's time to go.
Okay, you look stunning. You look beautiful. You look out of this world. You look perfect. Lady Vanya to the world. Woo!
That's enough. Open the door.
Sure, I will. In all her glory.
Lincoln, with all the ill treatment and rejection my niece gave to you, you're still holding on strong. Now let me ask you, what makes you think she's the right woman for you? You're so convinced.
Yes, I am utterly convinced, Ma. I took my time to make my findings about her. I know her. I know her story, and I'm completely cool with it. I love her so much, and I want her to experience the beauty of true love. You see, I can't see myself loving anyone else. As a matter of fact, I don't even think there is anyone out there who's as good as she is. I want her. I need her.
Interesting. Well, I do not blame her. Yes, because I know what she went through in her previous marriage. It was hell. But it's high time she moved on. Anyway, don't worry, okay? I see you love her. I'll try and talk to her, okay?
Thank you so much, Ma. I really appreciate that. Don't you think she needs a therapist? I mean, a good therapy session would do the trick. At least that would help her bounce back on her feet and see the need of finding true love.
My dear, she has seen a couple of therapists in the past. But I think it has to do with her decision. But then, we need to make her love again.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma. I really appreciate your time and concern. And please, help me tell her that I love her so much. So much.
I will tell her. I know you love her. Don't worry, okay? I'll try my best to talk to her.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
Girl, I just added another feather to my cap.
Beautiful. Soon you'll be on the headlines that Lady Vanya is the most influential woman entrepreneur.
You can say that again, girl. Say that again.
I'm happy.
Yes, of course, you should be.
So this calls for celebration, you know, right?
Hey, come on. I am already celebrated all over the world. That is enough celebration for me.
You are right, that's true. But still, I'm going to pop champagne. I'm going to sing your name that my friend is
the most influential woman entrepreneur in Africa.
Sing my name, yes.
Lady V.
But pop champagne, do you mean borrow champagne? Because girl, you ain't got no money to buy champagne.
Yay, we are celebrated. Oh, Lady V to the world. The only woman who speaks and everyone listens. The only woman who is swift in business and every other thing. Name it. Congratulations.
I need absolute tranquility in this
car. So dangerous, like a wolf in a sheep clothing. She's a dangerous scammer, and she don't even want to change. The lady Venia, the lady Venia, the lady Venia. Oh, hey, she's a dangerous scammer.
That's my girl. That is my girl. Babe, you're in the news.
In the news for good, right?
Absolutely. Listen, you know, there's something really special about someone close to you being in the news for good. I'm so proud of you, babe. I wish you more grace.
Thank you, my darling. Cheers. To greater heights.
Ooh. Mm.
Don't I just love you?
I love you too. I'm so excited. You make me proud every time.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. I mean.
Lopez, my man. My man, the money bad.
Yeah. Lopez Onyego.
Lopez Onyego.
Correct. You're welcome, my good friend. I'm telling you.
You again? Why can't I have privacy in my own house?
Bano. Fine, no, now. That is not how to welcome your guests.
Yes.
At least, usher him in. Good. Then give him drink.
Exactly. Yes.
Obviously, you have gone completely not. Usher who in?
My man.
Listen, young man, I will not like to meet you here again when I come.
Look, baby girl, I have come here with good. Hear me first now. Can you even one leg wine?
Nah, but can you even one leg wine? Yourself, eh? You just stand here now and a woman runs her mouth to what is even. You are not just romantic at all. Hey, wow, Bano.
So I don't understand your point. So I should go and start kissing her or what? You know she can call the police on me.
Nah, I did not say you should go and kiss her. Yo, Chero, why is it that kiss is the only thing that you can come up with now? Ah, no, now. See, listen. Oh, approach her like a man. You know, your body movement. Let your body and her body touch. Then from there something can happen. But if she eventually calls the police, I will be there to testify and tell them that it is just a romance. Romance. So what if also? Why am I even teaching you how to romance? How to be romantic? Banana, you did not pay me for that. That one is just a different lecture. If you want me to teach you on how to be a very romantic man,
are you indirectly telling me that I'm not romantic?
But you are not romantic now. No, let's call it spade a spade. When you're not here, you just came and I was even giving you a sign to rush her.
Listen,
you know,
listen. There is money in this boot. I don't behave that way. Why are you acting like?
But at least you have to be romantic before the money.
Which means we are not doing your job. I told you to confuse. I'm going to give you any amount you want. You know you're not something romantic.
Or it easy. If it was easy, you could have done that yourself. You just give, or show me small money. Give me more money. Let me go.
Come, let me ask you. You like the way you are? Only you're taking man.
That's why I'm doing the job that you paid me for.
Do what I ask you. Put more effort so that I will fix you.
More money.
I will come to put. Let me give you more money.
Hi! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Obele, you are getting on my last nerves. Listen to me, I do not want to ever see that young man in my premises again.
The beautiful sister of mine. Aye. Negodu. Away. Negodu fetchineke kero wanyere 1%. You are beautiful. You have heart. God has blessed you with everything. God has given you area of interest and concentration. I'm sorry. It is not what you are thinking. Lopez, my man. Money back is rich. Very rich. And I have come to find out that he has good intentions, and that is why I have accepted to talk to you on his behalf. There's nothing like pimp. Eh?
For a man that you barely know, just because you see him throw money around here, you think it's enough reason to lure me into him. Listen, let this nonsense not repeat itself.
You are my sister and I love you. Forget the fact that you are calling him mama. You are calling him man to look as if he's an old cargo. Lopez, my man, is not an old cargo. Lopez is a guy man. A guy man with very strong sense of fashion. I'm telling you, okay, just imagine you filing out with Lopez in an international stage. Just, we're going to imagine that you, my sister, and then money bag, my friend Lopez with money, filing out. Just imagine it. But maybe
I will not ruin you. Gay.
Yes, don't shut me. What is this now? Don't shut me up as if I am not making sense. Yeah? Collins is not your match. Okay, let's just say it the way it is. Collins is not your match. Yeah? People are already talking. You will not know because you don't talk to people.
That is because I do not want unnecessary interferences. Listen, young man, stop bringing me out, for you know I am a very private person.
In fact, let me just say it the way it is. Let me just say it. What's this now? In fact, people are saying it. In fact, let me just tell you the way they are saying it. People say that Collins, that you are older than Collins. And I agree with them. Okay, look at you now. Look at my sister. And Collins, that boy. No, look at it now. And I agree with them. Does that not bother you? Eh?
Your level of irresponsibility should be the only thing bothering you right now. Not my Collins. I have a man in him. And if by chance I desire another man, I sure do have the capacity and momentum to get any class of man that befits me. Now let this be the last time that you will ever try to pimp.
What is this? What kind of woman is this, eh? What has come over my sister? Why will she be focused on Collins, on an idiot called Collins? A man that has nothing, that is very broke. Cashless society man. No, cashless society boy. Cashless society, cashless economy. Cashless economy. Collins is an idiot, is broke. Collins, you idiot! Ah, what nonsense! Lopez, my man, Lopez, a man with money bag. Imagine Collins, my sister. Then me and I will now channel my hose on Collins. Channel my hose on Lopez. Since I have raised a reasonable amount of money from this man, why can't I just move out and start up something? Even if it is little. I have taken enough insult from everyone around me. I just need to do something. But I just need to do something for myself. I know I can, and I will. I thought if my sister agrees with me to marry this man Lopez, I will ask him for a huge amount of money to, start an importation business. And then I will now be called Obele, the importer and exporter. Hi! That's a nugumong. Huh. But now that I don't even know what she has chosen to do with her life, I will just make use of the one I have.
Speak to you right now, because I am not happy. Lady Fiona, I am not happy about this. What is the meaning of all of this now? What is the meaning of this?
Why?
You're asking me why?
Let me take a guess. You have a party to attend.
Huh?
So you need another bone straight and a shoe, probably.
Lady Fiona, hold on. Just wait. Are you making a joke out of this? I am being serious here, okay? The brand that you asked me to advertise on my page has made me lose over 15,000 followers on my Instagram page. In how many days? Why? Look. Recently, people have been sliding in and out of my DM, abusing me, and the other ones asking for a refund for something I know absolutely nothing about. And then they've been accusing the brand to be scammers.
You know, it's been such a long time I heard from them, especially my friend. The last I heard was that hackers were dwindling with them. Are you sure they haven't taken over your site?
Yeah. Are you seriously asking me that question? Lady Viana, are you asking me that question? I am talking about 15,000 followers that I've lost on my page, and you are saying this to me. Look, I don't care right now. I don't want to know whatever it is that you worship. Please make sure they fix this mess as soon as possible. Because Lady Viana, you will not like the other side of me. It's not a threat. It's not a threat. And please, make sure that they apologize to my followers. So that they will know that I am not a part of the scam. Okay?
Don't worry. I will make it up to you.
This is really frustrating now. 15,000 followers in how many days? It took me a long time to build.
Oh dear.
What is wrong with this man? Huh? That young man is every woman's dream. That man is serious about you. Why do you keep doing this to every man that comes your way? Why?
Auntie, I have made my decision. I'm not changing my mind anytime soon.
You have to. You have to. You just have to. Listen, every pain goes with a lesson. And I believe you have learned yours. Why don't you move on?
I have moved on. That is the reason I am living my best life. I mean, I'm living my life to the fullest.
Then give love a chance again. Listen to me. Until you're able to face your fears, then you can boldly say you have moved on. For now, you have not.
I doubt that, Auntie. I am not ready for any sort of relationship. Why can't you get it?
See, I personally, in my heart, I know that young man is a good man. And he will make a good husband. Why don't you just try him? Give him a chance. And if you're not comfortable, you let him go. It's simple.
Trials and errors are not what I should be doing, Auntie. I just want to be focused on... Auntie, I am not ready for any relationship yet. Give me a break.
I see you're frustrating my effort in trying to talk sense into you. But let me tell you, I will not relent on my effort. I will not. I will not. What can happen? You think I'm joking with you?
Joe. What is going on with the site? Why are you here? This site has barely registered 3 people. And it's already reported. The previous site gave us close to 3,000 people before it was brought down. If anything, I mean anything happens to this site, I will not take it lightly with you.
I don't know what to do anymore. I've tried my best. I think we need to return back to the assistance of the technicals. They know those things more than we do.
Whatever route you think is the best out of this, Joe, that is the route that you should take. I will not entertain any excuses from you.
I understand your business dimension here, but you need to understand that people are being very careful. We have swindled so many people, and that is why we're on this issue.
I don't care. Every single household in this country has someone who wants to travel abroad. Sometimes the entire household wants to see. We must take advantage of them and make all the money that we can.
I will do something about it.
Get out. Now. Why? Why is it now, all of a sudden, everyone is becoming smart now that I need all the money in the world to solve my problems? Everyone is becoming smart. Why? Why do they all have to become smart right now? Why? I don't trust this boy. I just hope this boy will not implicate me someday and run away. Or I am beginning to have bad feelings about him.
What is the problem? Why can't I go inside and see her? I mean, I was glad when she called.
Trust me, man, you will not like the tension in there. I mean, how could you? Why? Why did you go discuss her with her aunt without her permission? Why?
See, she rarely gives me attention. Not even for a second to talk to her. I needed to talk to somebody about it. I love her so much, and that is why I decided to speak with her auntie. Somebody really close to her.
Honestly, you have to go right now. This is not a good time, okay? She's not in a good mood. So please just go. Please.
It's okay. Thank you so much. But please, kindly extend my apologies to her.
Okay, sure, I will.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Adrian. Listen, babe, you really have to calm down. That guy means no harm.
You got him dismissed? No, why didn't you let him in? I should have given him the peace of my mind.
Adrian, I had to dismiss him because what you plan to do is totally not necessary. Can't you see? Babe, are you sure you do not want to go back to therapy?
Therapy? I do not need any therapy. Can someone just tell this fool that I do not need him? I do want him. I don't want any man. Girl, listen, no man has ever disturbed me this much. Is he daft?
The more reason you should give him a chance.
Jeez.
Yes. You can never know if he's different from other men if you do not give him a chance.
You know, the singular fact that everyone thinks he's perfect for me since after my failed marriage is really getting me irritated. I am disgusted.
Adrian! Get a grip on yourself. Listen, if you are going to bring in strange interpretations to all my suggestions, then I advise that you find an advice that will work for you. But as for that man, he means well. Oh, listen, Adrian, my suggestion that you go have a session with a therapist is not in bad taste at all.
If you continue to sound like the rest of them, I'll be forced to place you where I place them.
You can place me anywhere you like, I don't care. But as your friend, I will continue to tell you the truth.
You know what? Get lost.
And I'm so sure you will come find me.
V?
I am not ready for any useless discussion about your employer, so don't even start.
Well, I do not have any employer. I have come so that we can, you know, discuss like a brother and a sister.
I'm all ears.
I have been able to save up a little money I want to start business with. Do you understand? Yes, I want to open a big provision shop. Then from there, slowly I will, grow it into a very big supermarket.
Let me be sure that I heard you correctly.
You heard me clearly.
You want to start a business?
Yes.
Where?
Well, at the outskirts of town. Shops and houses are cheaper there than here. So, I want to run it over there. What do you mean?